What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to go over Shiba Inu. We're currently up about 10% on the day, sitting at 0.000008. And the market cap is sitting at 3.16 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 518 million. So we're going to go over the analysis here for Shiba. So we're going to start here on the daily. Now we are coming back above the EMAs, which is a bullish sign, and there's a massive double bottom here. You can see we came down, created a bottom, we came up, we created a second bottom. So if you see us start to break above this trend line of resistance at I'm just going to say 0.09 because there's so many zeros, and we back test it as support, guys, that would be a complete reversal in the trend for Shiba, and it would take you all the way up to 0.0012. Now of course there would be some resistance along the way. However, if you do see us start to break above this trend line of resistance, back test as support would be a beautiful sign of a reversal in the trend, and we would see the bull run continue here for Shiba and of course the rest of the market. So we're going to pop over into the 1 hour chart. All right, guys, so we're here on the 1 hour chart, and I had drawn this rising wedge and we broke out, and you can see here, take our little measurement from the body of our wedge and we pull it up to our breakout, and you can see it was met perfectly, guys. So a beautiful little trade there for Shiba of about 8%. Now Shiba moves extremely quickly. It's very volatile. You can see like this massive green candle wick that came out of nowhere for Shiba. So there's always risks when trading these highly volatile coins here. You can see we are back above the EMAs. Now I pulled my Fibonacci from this swing high down to this swing low, and you can see we're hitting some resistance here at the golden ratio. We'll drop a little price target, so that's 0.082. You can see all the resistance support in this area, a ton of resistance and support in that area, so that will act as a major level of resistance. If we get back above it, then that's when you see that continuation where we try to tackle our high at about 0.0098, and then up here the 1.272 extension at 0.0011. all right, guys, so always keep an eye on Bitcoin. As I always say, your master energy. We're kind of waiting to see if it's going to invalidate our rising wedge, and that would be a beautiful sign of continuation. And of course you'll see Shiba follow and head up to these price targets here. Now if we do hit resistance and we roll over, if Bitcoin is not able to invalidate this rising wedge and it rolls, I'll drop your lines of support here for Shiba. It's fun to say that, Shiba. So right here at 0.0072, see all the support resistance in this area right here as well would be a strong level of support. And then where would be our next one? Maybe down here in this area at 0.0066. We are looking strong here for continuation. We'll quickly put it onto the 4 hour so you can see. Let me take this out so it's more visible for you guys. You can see we've had the bullish cross of the EMAs, this yellow 20 EMA over the 55, which is a bullish signal, guys. So really what you want to keep an eye on is your golden ratio at 0.0082. You get back above it, continuation, you hit resistance, you roll. These are your levels of support. We're all watching Bitcoin right now, waiting to see if we're going to invalidate our rising wedge. All right, guys, so let's give some future price targets for Shiba. If this were to be our true bottom, it's not promised, but I think it's fun to do this at the end of the videos here. But if Bitcoin were to roll over and correct further and we created a new bottom, then these price targets would change. However, we can give some price targets based off if this were to be the true bottom. So we have the 1.272 at 0.0044. We have the 1.414 at 0.0049. And we have the 1.618 at 0.0056. And that would be an appreciation from the current price all the way up to the 1.618 of about 600% here for Shiba. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you got any value, smash that like button. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can check out the Discord, price of a coffee, Patreon link in the bio. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, as well as I post chart patterns in there as well from time to time. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love. Take care.